welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on some new wellies I've got, and those wellies are these Dunlop, and they're from Screwfix, just basic Screwfix wellies. Today is the 26th of January and I've wore these wellies since just before Christmas. They've got a steel toe cap. I will put the price up here. They're not very expensive at all. I'm a size 7, so I got a size 7. They are big, they're more like a size 8. So I am going to get some size 7s as well for the summer. But I'm keeping these size 8s because I wear 3 pairs of socks with these wellies. And so far, so good. There are no cracks or anything, as you would expect. I am wearing these wellies to the allotment, so at the chickens, I'm doing work on the allotment, and I'm doing dog walks in them. Because my other wellies, I can't wear 3 pairs of socks with my other wellies, but I can with these, so it's a really good thing about getting the size that you wear, is you can wear 3 pairs of socks with them. So I've got 3 pairs of socks on. The last one is a really big, thick pair. And that's them, they fit perfect. See, I've been out on them today, so I haven't given them a proper clean yet. But I have been trying to make more of an effort to clean my wellies off, especially after going in the chicken run. I like them because they're high. I've had smaller wellies before that are further down my leg and they dig into your leg and leave a mark when you wear wellies every day. But these ones don't because they're higher. Got plenty of room in them, and they keep your feet nice and warm. I'll be doing a yearly update of these around December, January time if they last that long. I think they will. They're going to go through some hard work on my allotment, but you've got to bear in mind I probably will get another pair of wellies the size smaller so I can wear with less socks in the summer. Thanks for watching everyone, I hope you enjoyed this quick review of the Screwfix wellies. If you like this video, please like, and if you've got any questions that you can think of to ask me, please comment, and I always reply to my comments. Bye!